Hello everyone. Welcome back to the 4th chapter of C++. In this video we are going to learn about logical operators. So, let's start the video. What are logical operators? Operators with the help of which more than two relational statements can be expressed are called logical operators. There are three types of logical operators in C++. 1. Logical or 2. Logical and 3. Logical not. You can see the table of logical operators on your screen. Logical operators also return true and false value. 1 for true value and 0 for false value. Let's learn them one by one. First one is logical AND. Logical AND returns true value if and only if all the statements are true, otherwise, it returns false value. We can write logical AND statement as shown on your screen. More than two statements can be combined with logical AND operator to perform logical operation. Second one is logical OR. Logical OR returns true value if and only if any one of the statements are true, otherwise, it returns false value. We can write logical OR statement as shown on your screen. More than two statements can be combined with logical OR operator to perform logical operation. Third one is logical NOT. Logical NOT returns true if the statement is false and vice versa. We can write logical NOT statement as shown on your screen. We can write only one statement with logical NOT operator. Let's see the use of logical operators in the program. Open code blocks, save the file and start writing code. Include header files. Within main function, declare 4 variables of integer types. We will check logical result on these variables. Write the codes using logical AND, OR and NOT as shown on your screen. Run the program. You can see the result on your screen. First is A is greater than B, logical AND C is less than D. In this, A is greater than B is false, and C is less than D is true, so the result is 0. In the second, logical AND is replaced by logical OR, so the result is 1 because C is less than D is true. Third one is logical NOT. A is greater than B. In this, A is greater than B is false, so it returns 1.
This is all for this video. I hope you understood each and everything. Please drop your queries in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you want to learn more, please hit subscribe button. For now, this is Easy++, signing out.